So this question is from ring theory, so basically polynomial ring, and question is from NET-JRF June 2019 and question number 85. So let's start with the question. So we have a ZX ring of a polynomial with coefficient from Z, then we have to identify the additive group of this ring of a polynomial, that is ZX under addition, is first option isomorphic to Q plus under multiplication, that is positive rational number under multiplication, and second option is isomorphic to set of rational number under addition, and third one is this is a countable group, and D option is this one is uncountable. So we have a ZX be a ring of a polynomial with coefficient from Z. So if we will take any polynomial P of x, which should be a0, a1x and an xn belonging to Z of x. So this obviously implies ai belonging to Z for all I. Now we can define a function phi which is from Z of x to Q plus positive rational number such that phi of P of x is equal to P1 to the power a0, P2 to the power a1, P3 to the power a2 and so on, where P1 is the first prime number which is 2, P2 is 3, P3 is 5 and so on. So basically Pi is ith prime number, or we can change some of the notation. This is P0, P1, P2 and P0 is 2, P1 is 3 and P2 is 5 and so on. So you can easily verify this phi is a homomorphism or group homomorphism. By definition, phi of P plus Q obviously maps to phi of P plus phi of Q, and each Pi are prime number, so Pi to the power any integer must be a rational number or a positive rational number, or we can take this as a multiplication. Next, if we will take P1, P is not equal to Q, so definitely Qx must be equal to something B0 plus B1x and so on, or at least one Bi should be different from Ai, or if any Bi get changed, image of this Qi must change. So this obviously implies phi of P never equal to phi of Q. So this mapping is also 1-1 mapping. Now for any P by Q or R by S belonging to Q plus implies R belonging to natural number and S belonging to natural number, and each natural number can be expressed as prime power. So this implies R can be written as P0 to the power n0, P1 to the power n1 and so on, and S also can be written as P0 to the power m0, P1 to the power m1 and so on. So this implies R by S can be written as P0 to the power n0 minus m0, P1 to the power n1 minus m1 and so on. So this implies there exists a polynomial. We can define some P of x whose constant term is n0 minus m0 and coefficient of x is n1 minus m1 of x and so on. You can easily verify that phi of P of x is equal to R by S. That is, every element of Q plus has a pre-image. So that is, this mapping must be a onto mapping. Hence, your additive group of ZX is always isomorphic to Q plus under multiplication. And Q plus under multiplication is not isomorphic to Q under addition. So hence second option definitely true, and this group is of a countable order, so this obviously is of a countable order, or we can directly write down the third option, since ring of a polynomial define our countable ring is always countable, so your C option definitely true and D option is false. So your final answer is A and C answer.